Thanks for tuning in with Tild. We'll show you how quick and easy it is to take a card-present payment using our software along with a terminal. This can also be done through the API if you want to embed your own software. First, we'll start off in the merchant dashboard and click over into our payments page. Once in the Payments tab, we'll click on the New Payment button on the top right corner of the screen and start a new manual payment. In the pop-up window, you'll be able to select the payment method, and here we'll choose Card Present. Fill in the charge amount and select the correct terminal along with your preferred capture method before hitting Submit. With the Sale method, the terminal authorizes and captures in a single transaction. Use this when you know the final amount at the time of paying, tip included. With the Auth method, the terminal places a hold on the card to reserve the funds, and the customer's money doesn't move until the final amount is captured. For example, closing out bar tabs with written tips. That case is otherwise known as incremental authorization. After submitting your payment, it will be sent over to the associated terminal. In this case, we're using a Valor VL550. You're now able to either tap or dip your card, or manually enter the card information into the terminal to pay. It's simple and fast, allowing your merchants to process payments without any hassle.